Century 21 Americana. Today's video, I'm here inside Orchard Canyon, owned by Richmond American. And today we are going to feature in my channel this quick move-in home, Avalon. This is priced at $490,000 and they slashed down. It used to be $494,950. They took off almost $5,000 from it. This features 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and 2-car garage. And today they're having a promotion as long as you close by September. The first year is 2.99 rate. The second year will be 3.99, and the fourth year after the life of the loan is 4.99%. So let's tour this house together, you guys. So welcome to the Avalon. This is a quick move-in home. And as soon as you get in, you will be greeted with nice entryway. On your left side, I'm going to show you guys the first bedroom right here. This is a very decent size with the standard closet inside. And right outside there is a shared bathroom here. Tub and shower combo with a single vanity. And then right next to it is another bedroom. It's same size as the first one. It also has a standard closet inside. And now let's go check the room on the right side. This side right here is the laundry area. Washer and dryer is included when you purchase this house. And also far ahead there's a linen closet. Now I'm gonna show you guys your open layout area. Just look at this massive space, perfect for entertaining. You're looking at your nice kitchen. This side right here is your walk-in pantry. Perfect size to store your goodies. I love this nice island in the middle. Tons of space to prepare your meals. Love the backsplash, the white cabinets. Again, this is a quick move-in home, so pretty much everything that's in here is done. Refrigerator right here, this is also included with the purchase. And then right this side, there is a double stack oven, a built-in oven, microwave over here, and your shift cooktop. And I'm going to show you guys the extended counter here. This side there is a coat closet. And this door is leading to your 2-car garage. There is a tankless water heater. Now let's go back inside and show you guys this area. Right here you can put your dining table on this side, and that side right there And there is a door leading to your, by the kitchen, there's a door leading to your backyard. There's tons of space outside to entertain. There's 2 Reese's light installed, and also the ceiling fan, pre-wire. Right here, you guys, is your backyard. If you wanted a pool, a swimming pool, I think this space you can put a pool, a small swimming pool. Okay, you guys. On this side right here is your living room. You can see on that wall your pre-wire for your entertainment equipment, your TV. Love the space, tons of space to entertain your friends and family. Now I'm going to show you guys your primary bedroom. Right here, tons of space, lots of windows bringing natural light in. The king-size bed should fit in this room. Now let's go to your primary bathroom. As you can see, there's dual vanity, and in the middle there is a makeup table. It's really nice. On the side right here, this is your walk-in shower. Love the tile, love the black material that we used. And on this side is your private water closet. And right next to it, this is your walk-in closet. Tons of space. Here. We added these shelvings for your shoes. All in all, you guys, like what I said, this quick move-in home, they slashed down the price to $490, and again, they are giving an incentive. They will buy down the rate during the first year, which is $299. The second year would be $399, and the fourth year, up to the life of the loan, would be $499, provided you're gonna close by September. And if you wanted to tour this home with me, just reach out to me at 310-848-5693. I'll be happy to tour with you on your first visit. Thank you for watching my channel.